And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to configure smart locks with Alexa. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first step is to simply install and pair your smart lock. You can physically install your smart lock on the door according to the manufacturer's instruction, then download the specific smart lock app for your device. For instance, I have Tapo in my device. So I have opened my Tapo, and you need to simply go and enable the Alexa skills. You need to open your Amazon Alexa app that you can simply get from your App Store or Play Store. Once you open your Alexa, you can simply tap on the More button, usually in the bottom right corner. After this, you can select Skill and Games and tap for Search icon. You need to enable it and link your accounts. Then, after linking, Alexa will automatically discover add your smart lock to the app. You can then describe how Alexa needs to discover your devices and enable voice unlocking that is completely optional. So by doing this, you can configure smart locks with Alexa. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.